Fool's love. He got me thinking too much, and damn, I had a feeling things were coming to an end, but like I didn't figure it would be so soon. It's like slowly we're falling apart. He's losing interest. I'm not his type. Oh well, right? Wrong. Cause how can I forget it when it hurts this much? Not just him, but just the idea that I've been hurt again. Maybe my all wasn't enough a while. Like, was it too much? And as ladies, we say, well, I'm a strong, grown ass woman. If he can't handle a chick like me, then he ain't the man for me. Well, damn, how naive we are to believe that we are the greatest. Someone said it's a man's world, but it wouldn't be worth it without a woman. How about that? And vice versa. However, it seems that these days we play the game of all games they call love just to be hurt again and to fall in and out of emotions so fictitious and unreal it doesn't even deserve to be called an emotion. This feeling that something like fool's gold, so should we call it fool's love? And it's like slowly he's starting to hug me differently. His actions are the same as I wonder who's to blame. His eyes drift, the motions shift, and I wondered to myself, where do we stand? Wanted to give up this feeling that I'm feeling that got me feeling like whatever this is should be a crime. Maybe he's wasting my time. Maybe he's digging me so much he's scared of the satisfaction. Or maybe this was simply a fatal attraction. He got me contemplating, thinking, and wondering. I understand that you're not mine, but I'm yours. I wholeheartedly gave you my soul, however you didn't notice it, or possibly you did, but you decided to ignore it. Hey, out of sight, out of mind. A mentality that's making me lose my mind, but please, God, let me know this is real, and please, God, let this emotion be real. I want a sweet reality that's solid. What's the use of anything without a good foundation? So let's build the stepping stones to our success together, hopefully. Always told myself something was wrong if I was in doubt, but if this feeling that I'm feeling just that fake emotion we should call fool's love, I want out. He got me thinking too much.